Guys, I'm coming to you with a quick video, a fun video, an Easter tag video. I was watching some YouTube videos and I was watching Karen Adrian Container Gardener, and she tagged me in an Easter tag, and I said, oh my gosh, I have to get this tag done because Sunday is Easter, so I can't be messing around. So this is the tag. It has 5 questions, and then I'm going to tag 2 people at the end of this tag. And if you would like to participate in this tag, go ahead on and do it, but do it before Sunday. All right, here we go. First question says, Americans will be consuming more than 16 million of jelly beans this year. Do you like jelly beans? And what is your favorite flavor? I love bubblegum flavor. I love that flavor. Number 2 says, do you dye Easter eggs? Of course. I've been dyeing Easter eggs since I've been a young kid, and I'm still dyeing Easter egg. Easter is just not Easter unless you're dyeing the eggs. Number 3 says, have you ever been to an Easter parade? I probably went to an Easter parade when I was small, but it's all I can remember is it's not like going to like a big Macy's Day parade. It was always like, when you're at church and you guys have your little church program, and we would always have ours during the day. So then all the kids and our parents and stuff would let us march around with our little baskets and stuff. So I would say it wasn't like a typical Easter Day parade, but we had an Easter Day parade, our style, our way, church style. And number 4 says, would you rather get a huge Easter basket filled with candy that's not your favorite, or get a small Easter basket filled with your favorite candy? Of course, I'm going to choose the basket that has all my favorite candy. Peanut butter cups. Come on now, and M&Ms with peanuts. Fill that basket up. Number 5 says, would you rather have a magical Easter basket that produces 10 chocolate eggs each morning, or have a pet bunny that talks? I could go either way. I could love having an Easter egg, 10 of them every day. Or you know what I was thinking? Since I got that problem with that squirrel outside, and this bunny can talk, I'm thinking maybe I can get that bunny to work in my favor. Maybe I can get that bunny to go talk to Rocky and maybe keep Rocky in check. Or it could backfire on me, and that bunny and Rocky could work together, and then they would have a good time running around, eating up all my vegetables and just going amok in my garden. So I don't know. I think I would try that talking bunny, because I could use that bunny to help me keep Rocky in line. So, talking bunny, here we come. And that's the last one. So, the 2 people that I decided that I am going to tag is going to be, it's going to be Gardening with Bernie, because she my girl. She always in doing all my crazy stuff, and she's always in there willing to participate in all my shenanigans. So, and the other one, how about Angela's Busy Bee? All right, you 2. Go ahead and get your Easter tag out if you would like to participate. I will put these questions at the end in my description box, so you know exactly what the questions are. Have fun with it. It's just an Easter tag. So I did mine, Karen, so I hope you enjoyed my Easter tag. And thank you for thinking of me to participate in your tag. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Sorry I had to bring and pull up another video, but I didn't know that I was going to be in the Easter tag. So with that being said, I love these tags. So take care, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, take care. Thanks, Karen, for thinking of me for the Easter tag. And Everybody, I want you to have a happy, 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 happy Easter too. All right, don't forget to color your Easter eggs because that's the best part. And don't forget what Easter is all about. Okay? All right. Love you guys. Bye bye.